Hi everyone, it's Greg here and welcome to my DFY suite review. I'm going to jump in a second to, I like the timer, I'm going to jump into the sales page I suppose so you can see better. So I'm here basically going to run through what DFY suite is all about. I'm going to show you the sales page. I'm going to then offer you and show you my bonuses. So my bonuses are below this screen. There's a link. If you just want to hit that, you'll get my exclusive bonuses. I will also offer you a $5 discount, something that nobody else is offering, $5 discount. So stick through to the end and you'll get that. Please feel free to shop around, see what else is out there. But I take it you're here because you're interested in the DFY suite. You want to know what it's about. So that's what I'm going to just jump straight into now for you. So what is it? In a nutshell, the DFY, it's a platform. It's a social syndication platform. Social syndication, another fancy word, I suppose, for content sharing. So what you do is basically you will submit your URL. I'll jump in and show you basically the stages of how it'll work. So this is basically what you do. You log in, you will submit your keywords, your campaign name, your URL. This can be used for YouTube videos, for a website, for a blog, or if you're an Amazon affiliate or you want to get your Amazon ranked further. The idea is to get you on the first page in Google. So with this, it'll then link and index your URL, your website, your video to different content sharing sites out there. And it'll get more content, more backlinks and so forth, which gives it more authority. And so it'll climb up the rankings within Google Indexer. That is what it is all behind. So if you're starting off, this is great for you. If you're in affiliate marketing, this is perfect for you. So the system does everything for you. You submit it. You pick a few parameters then that you want to do, how many links you want to do, if you want to do it slowly or pretty fast. If you want to drip feed it, recommend doing it slowly. And then this is the index links, if you want that turned on or turned off. Again, this will probably depend on the access that you have, but I'd highly recommend that you have the index levels links turned on. So that is what it does. You hit submit, it does it all behind the scenes for you. And what I'm going to show you is, I suppose, the cost of this, you're probably wondering. Initially, it's 47 bucks, it says here, but actually for the first 36 hours, it's $35. But don't forget, I've secured the $5 discount for you. So you will have to download no software, upload no software. There'll be zero account creation for you, no CAPTCHAs, proxies needed, hundreds of social links built for you, and you could submit any URL, Amazon store, video, you name it. And for today, you get agency access also. So it means you can make money on it. You can do it for other people. You can rank them and get paid to do it. So social syndication, what is it? Can you do it yourself? Yes, you can. A lot of people do. As I said, I'm going to show you what else is out there so you can make an informed decision. There's the likes of Scoopit, which, here's the full list of them all so you can see. I'll put this in the link below the video as well. So you've got all these free ones, and then there's a few paid options in there and some freemiums, the likes of Facebook and LinkedIn that you pay for. So this is what is available to you out there should you wish to do it yourself. Scoopit, like they're looking at 14 bucks a month, up to 67, a month, which is quite expensive. You've probably heard of Reddit. Reddit is where you can upload videos, posts, anything, and then link it back to your blog. Tumblr is the exact same. Again, it's a lot of work. You have to log in, you have to do all of this manually. There's a few paid ones which are for the big guys, the Outbrain, which is for brands and agencies, and probably my all-time favorite is Quora. So I just typed in kind of what is social syndication. What it does is you ask questions or you can answer questions. And if you're answering the question, like say for argument's sake here, I'd go in there, I'd add my comment, and then I'd leave my link within it. So it would link back to my website or my video. Oh, I found a great video on social syndication, and it would link back to my video. But again, it's a manual process. You got to be doing this every day. IFTTT, I'm not sure if not this, then that. It's basically, it's like a recipe source that does it all for you. So you can, once you blog something, it's like RSS feeds, I suppose. Once you write a blog, it'll automatically share that in a timely manner, whatever way you set it up to all your social media channels. It can be quite confusing. Again, it's all there, manual process. And my go-to is Fiverr.com. Technically, everything is a Fiverr. So here, again, I search social syndication, social syndication 4-day networks. Okay, 814, that's a bit expensive. You can see most of them, 14, you're 18, 4, that seems a bit cheap. 14, 23, so this is basically going to build, and a lot of them are just building these IFTTT networks for you. 23, 20, so every time you do a post, you'd have to part with $20, $15 or whatever it is just to get it ranked. But with our good old friend, the DFY suite, there's none of that. It does it all for you. So you can sit back and relax. So I suppose there are some upsells for this. Again, I'd recommend that you study them before you make a decision. Here on my link, again, the link is below this where you can get the bonuses, and don't forget those bonuses will expire. Just use the green links to get them. There is a demo video. I'd highly recommend you watch that just so you can make an informed decision. And these are what I'm going to give you as well if you buy through my link only is, bonus number 1, you're going to get 51 social media marketing methods. This is valued at $21. AdSense, Google AdSense for advertising and AdSense. You have to have it if you want to ramp up your business. This is a blueprint on, how to do it. $30 to you, it's free. Commission Overdrive video guide, basically affiliate marketing, how to ramp it all up. Again, it's yours to take. Squeeze pages. If you're serious about affiliate marketing and if you want to capture people and build your email list, you have to have a landing page or a squeeze page. So this instant squeeze page builder software is yours. Please take it. And then the live video marketing, it's just going to go through everything for video live marketing and streaming for YouTube or however you want to do it. Again, value $30. It's all yours for the taking. So just, again, before these bonuses are gone, before everything expires, please use the links below to get it. Should you buy from me, this is where you will find your bonuses. And I've also secured you extra bonuses, from the buyer, which is Joshua Zamora. So these are VIP bonuses just to me, Greg, that's myself. So the bonuses are all here and you can see them. Again, they will be in the link. You get agency rights as standard on the front end anyway. You get keyword bootcamp training. You get live client attraction bonus training, perfect optimization blueprint, and you get hands-on live training sessions for the DFY suite. It'll show you how to use it properly. And it goes without saying, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't like the product, you get your money back. So it's risk-free. So as I said as well earlier on, I'm just going to go back up here, your $5 discount. So here are the prices. As you can see, on the 30th, it goes up by $10, but I've got you a $5 discount. So just use this code DFY5 off and get your $5 off. If you don't buy by the 1st, it goes up another $10, but I've secured you a $7 discount, and here is the code. So all the bonuses will expire, all the coupons, they will expire, and the price goes up to $67 on the 2nd of September. So act now, buy now, play with it, use it. It's risk-free. If you don't like it, you can give it back, but it will work for you. Okay, look, appreciate it. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you found it useful. Again, don't forget the link is below the video where you can find all the bonuses and the link to get the Done For You suite right now. Okay guys, thanks a million.